videos.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember on Friday we started that lesson about diamonds? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
And we did the thing for Grandmother and Daddy Ray for their anniversary party.
Yeah.
Everyone's gonna love them. I think Grandmother will really love them.
Yeah. Now we're ready.
Alright, so we're gonna keep working on that. So we left off
Yeah.
talking about
Yeah.
where they came from, right? Alright, so it
Yeah.
since the 1870s, oh we did that part.
Yeah.
Let's do this part. Diamond is a carbon allotrope, allotrope, or an element that exists in at least two different forms, made up of repeating units of carbon atoms joined to four other carbon atoms by the strongest chemical linkage called covalent bonds, covalent. Each carbon atom is in a rigid tetrahedral network where there's equidistant EQU, IDISTANT, from its neighboring carbon atoms. The structural unit of the diamond consists of 8 atoms, basically arranged in a cube. This network is very stable and rigid, which is why diamonds are the hardest natural mineral known to man.
Yeah.
So, can you count them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Nice. Alright, let's start with some spell words first. Yeah, what's more good?
Yeah.
Is this what you're using today?
Yeah.
Alright, let's spell diamond. D and I and A and M and O and N and D. Diamond, nice. Spell ghost. G and H O and S and T. Nice. Spell clown. C and L and O and W and N. Nice.
Yup. We'll keep going.
I wanted to ask you a question. What month is it?
What?
O and C and T and O and B and E and R.
October.
And what date is your birthday?
1,
2 and 7.
27. Yeah.
Go for it, bud.
Come on, fam.
Yeah, if you're ready.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we call an element that exists in more than one different form? Oh, sorry, bud.
I don't know.
A and L and double L and
A.
O and T and R and O and O. You got it, jump up. P and E. Nice. Allotrope.
Yeah.
How many?
Yeah.
Oh, in the structural unit of a diamond, how many carbon atoms are basically arranged in a cube? So not how many you counted, how
Yeah.
many atoms did it say?
Yeah.
8.
8.
That's right. And then you counted how many?
12.
1 and 2.
12.
That's right. Okay, diamonds are the hardest what known to man?
What?
Jump up. N and A and T and U and R and A and O. Natural.
Yeah. What?
You got M and I and N
Yeah.
Okay, number 5.
Yeah.
Name one adjective used to describe the network of atoms in diamonds.
I don't know.
R and I and G and I and D. Rigid, nice.
Yeah. Walk away.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Alright, since the 1870s, 1870, most of the world's diamonds have been mined in Africa, AFRICA. In recent decades, however, diamond production has spread to many other countries such as Russia, Brazil, Canada, and Australia. Currently, Russia and Canada produce almost half of the world's diamonds. However, the core of natural gem quality, suitable for use in jewelry, diamond production remains in Africa. In Botswana, there's a large diamond sorting and selling facility in the world, and diamonds account for 60% of the country's exports.
60%.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. And since which decade have most of the world's diamonds been mined in Africa? I almost did it upside down, sorry. 1 and
Yeah.
8 and 7 and 0. Nice.
1870.
And then I'll just leave that answer. Where is the world's largest diamond sorting and selling facility?
I don't know.
Not a number.
What?
B and O and T and S and W and A and N and A. Botswana.
Yeah. Hey.
What percentage of Botswana's exports are diamonds?
Yeah.
6 and 0.
60.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Oh.
Okay. How are diamonds identified? Diamonds
Yeah.
that have not yet been cut are called rough or raw diamonds.
Yeah.
RUGH or raw. To identify the stones or diamonds, one of the tests you can do is to rub the crystals
Yeah.
against a cheap piece of corundum.
Yeah.
CORUNDUM.
Yeah.
The mineral species that make up ruby and sapphire. SAPPHIRE.
This door.
If the rough stone makes a visible scratch on the corundum, the crystal is diamond. If it doesn't create a scratch, then it's a different mineral. This is because diamonds are harder than corundum. That makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Young.
Diamonds that have not yet been cut are called what?
I don't know.
R and A and W. Raw.
Raw. Yeah.
What type of mineral species was mentioned apart from diamonds?
I don't know. What?
C and O and R and U and N and D and U and N. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. What color are rubies?
Yeah. I don't know.
R and E and D. Good job.
Red.
That's right. Rubies are red. Oops. Do you know what color emeralds are?
I don't know.
What do you know?
I don't know.
You got it.
What?
You got it. You got it. G and R and E and E and N.
Green.
That's right. Ooh, look at this. Lots of numbers. Okay. In 1822, a German geologist, Friedrich Moss, developed the Moss hardness scale to differentiate minerals by their hardness. Based on the simple principle that a softer mineral will be scratched by a harder one, it is the method most used by geologists, Geologists, to describe the hardness of minerals. It's over 200 years since the first implementation of the scale, but the method is much older. The technique was mentioned in 300 BCE by Theophrastus in his treatise, Treatise, which is a written work dealing formally with the subject on stones.
Yeah.
Alright, so some of these questions I have to have you look at this, okay?
Yeah.
So, what scale number is the diamond?
Yeah. What?
See right here, see the scale numbers? And then this is the mineral name, so look at the mineral and then the scale number. 1 and 0. Good.
10.
And how about talc?
Where?
You see it?
1.
Right.
Yeah.
There's one more. What is topaz?
Yeah. 8.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Who uses the Moss scale?
Somebody.
What are they called?
What?
G and about T and O and about G and hold on, sorry, I missed you. GEO. Let's go to the L. L and O and G and I and S and T. Good, geologist.
Yeah.
I couldn't spell it down, and that wasn't your fault, that was my fault.
Yeah.
When people decide to get married, what piece of jewelry do they often buy?
Yeah. Yeah.
You got it, look. R and I and N and G. A ring. That's right.
Yeah.
What year was it that he developed the Moss hardness scale? 1 and 8 and 2 and 2. Nice.
1822.
Nice job. And when was the method of scratching softer minerals with harder ones first mentioned? 3 and 0 and 0. 300.
300.
What?
300
B
what?
and C and E. Nice. 300 B, C, E.
We'll keep going.
You can get up and walk around. With that piece of paper. Okay. In the 1940s, 1940, Robert Shipley, Shipley, coined the term the 4 C's to describe the 4 factors that affect the value of a diamond. These are color, clarity, cut, and carat, C-A-R-A-T. This was important because it meant that diamond quality could be communicated in a universal language, and customers could now know exactly what they were buying. A carat, C-A-R-A-T, is a unit of mass equal to 200 milligrams, 200, or 0.00705 ounces. Clarity refers to the inclusions or marks within the diamond, and the cut refers to the shape, such as round, heart, and princess cuts. So see how this is a square diamond? This is called a princess cut.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it doesn't tell us. Oh, it does. Yeah. So there's round, oval, marquee, pear, heart, emerald, princess, and radiant.
Yeah.
Cool?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
What was the name of the man who coined the term the 4 C's? What was his last name? His first name was Robert.
Yeah. What?
S and H and I and P and L and E and all the way down to Y. Shipley.
Okay.
What year was it that what decade was it that he coined that term? 1 and 9 and 4 and 0.
1940.
That's right. And how many C's were there?
Yup.
He claimed the
Oh.
what C's? 4.
4.
What were those 4 C's?
I don't know.
Start with C. C and O and L and O and R. Color. What else?
I don't know.
C and U and T. Cut.
Yeah.
Color. Cut.
I don't know.
C and L
Le-
and A and R and I and T and Y. You're being funny. Color, cut, clarity, and what's that last one? C and A and R and A and T. Carrot.
Wing.
Okay. A carat is a unit of mass equal to how many milligrams? 2 and 0 and 0.
200.
Number 5. The cut of a diamond refers to its what?
Something.
S and H and A and jump down B and E. Shape. Easy.
Excuse me. Love.
Okay, tell me one of the shapes that I said diamonds could be.
I don't know. Miss.
R and O and U and N and D. Round.
That's it.
That was a lot.
What else?
Can you tell me one more? Alright, so there's round. Tell me another one.
I don't know.
O and V and A and L. Oval.
Oval.
What else?
I don't know.
C and L and I. Okay, let's reset that. Tell me one more. S and T. Hold on. S.
Ah!
None of them start with S, you goofy. Alright, so you said round, oval. Tell me another one. You ready?
Yeah.
What did I say my ring was?
Square.
No, I said a different word.
Diamond.
It is a diamond, but it's called a.
I don't
Starts with a P,
know.
P, 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 and R, and I, and N, and C, and E, and S, and S. A princess cut. Kind of funny, huh?
Princess cut.
Yep. Okay, so listen to this one. If you could buy mom a piece of jewelry with a diamond in it, what shape would you get her?
I don't know.
Here's these if you want to look at them. What do you think she would like best?
One.
You ready?
Yeah,
Tell me.
I don't know.
C and O and N and E. A cone.
Nope.
Look at the words. So some of them look like, I mean, there's one that could look like a cone, but there's round, oval, marquee, pear, heart, emerald, princess, and radiant.
Yeah.
Which one do you think mom would like best?
I don't know.
R and E and N. hold on, we have R, go back to the R. R and E and S and N, R E.
Yeah.
Go back to the R. R and A and jump up D and I and all over A and N and T. Radiant. There you go. I think that one's pretty too.
We done.
We're getting there. We're having fun with this lesson. Look at, now we're going to talk about colors.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Diamonds come in all the colors of the rainbow as well as black and brown. Colorless diamonds, COLOURLESS.
Black and brown.
Are perfectly formed, composed only of the element carbon with no chemical impurities, no internal defects, and no extra particles. However, if single nitrogen, NITROGEN, atoms replace the carbon, the diamond can be bright canary yellow.
Yellow.
Canary yellow.
Blue.
Blue diamonds need only a tiny amount of boron, BORON, to produce color. A green diamond has been near natural radiation at some point in its history. Red and pink diamonds are thought to occur because of atomic distortion in their structure, and purple diamonds exist but are almost never found.
Purple.
I've never seen a purple diamond. Have you?
Nope.
Nope. Not a real one. Okay, so diamonds without impurities, which are perfectly formed entirely of carbon, which are colorless. Oh, I just gave the answer. Okay, perfectly formed entirely of carbon are what? You got stinky.
What?
C and O and L and O and R and you got an L and E and S colorless. Which elements makes diamond yellow? Look. You got an N and I and T and R and O and get right
Yeah.
G and E and N. Nice.
Make it.
What is a canary?
You're silly. Love.
C and O and L and O and R. Well, it is a color. It's the color yellow, but what is it also?
Color yellow.
So canary yellow
Canary yellow.
is a type of color, but what else is it?
I don't know.
It flies in the sky. Let's read it. Get right on that B. B and I and R and D. A bird. That's right, it's a bird. Blue diamonds need only a tiny amount of what to make them blue?
I don't know.
You got this. Right on that B. B and O and R and down O and N. Boring.
Well, stop there.
What color did it say that they exist but they're almost never found? What color diamond?
Yeah. Purple. Nope.
P and U and R and P and L and E.
Purple. That's silly.
I would like a purple diamond. Would you like to see one?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this. Got diamonds all over the crown. Cool? Alright, is this our last section? There's two more. Okay. At 530.2 carats, so 530.2, the largest colorless cut diamond in the world is the Cullinan. C-U-L-L. INAN1 diamond, set into the sovereign scepter with cross, part of the coronation regalia of the British crown jewels. On the 26th of January 1905, so let's say 1/26/1905, the enormous 3,106 carat raw diamond was found in South African mine and named after the mine's chairman, Sir Thomas Cullinan. The huge stone was cut to create 9 major stones and 96 smaller ones.
96.
The second largest cut stone from this rough, the Cullinan II, was set into the front band of the imperial state crown. Crazy, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so how many carats is the Cullinan 1? Your face. You ready?
Yeah.
That's gross when you do that.
Yeah.
I can see the inside of your eye. Ew, don't do it. Alright, how many carats? Next door, 5 and 3 and 0.2. 530.2.
Love.
What is the name of the largest diamond in the world?
Yeah.
Put this board back.
Okay.
That's not the right way.
No.
Could you spell it upside down?
No.
Can you try just for a second?
Yeah.
Alright, so you're spelling the name of the largest diamond.
One.
C and U and L and double L and I and next door N and all the way down A and N. Good job. That was hard, huh?
Spelling upside down.
You did really good with that. That was crazy. Okay,
Yup. Whoa, what?
we're almost done. What date was the raw Cullinan diamond found? Well, you tell me the number 8. So what month? 1. And what day? 2 and 6. And what year?
26.
You got it. 1 and 9 and next door 0 and 5. 1905.
Done.
Hold on, we're almost done. Okay, where are we? How many carats was the uncut diamond?
With the pearl.
3 and 1 and 0 and 6. 3106. Okay. If you could wear that crown of diamonds, where'd it go? Like a king. What's one word that comes to mind?
You're silly.
Ready? Not a number.
Nope.
You got a word? Ah! That was crazy.
You're goofy.
Okay, what word would come to mind? If you
I
could wear that?
don't know. Yeah. What?
C and R and A and you got it Z and Y. Crazy. That's a good one.
Are we done?
Hold on. I think we have one more section, right? Yeah, last section. You wanna
What?
walk around real quick? Why don't you get a drink of water? I need a drink of water too. Oh.
Nope.
Okay, last paragraph. Diamonds can now be grown in a laboratory using either high pressure, high temperature, HPHT, which mimics the condition under which natural diamonds are formed, or chemical vapor deposition, CVD, this crap. It's stinky. When layers of crystallized carbon attach to a seed diamond in a small vacuum chamber filled with heated hydrogen and carbon-containing gases. Unlike simulated diamonds, such as moissanite, synthetic diamonds are composed of the same material as naturally formed diamonds and share identical chemical and physical properties. Alright, so diamonds can now be grown where? You can spell that one if you want to try. In a what?
What?
L-N-A-N-B lab.
Done.
Hold on, we're almost done.
Baby Bop is not kind.
High pressure, high temperature is hold on. Abbreviated with what letters?
What?
Jump up. H and all the way over P and back to the H and T. H P H T. Alright, we're gonna stop there. I don't like these